In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Editing your chart of accounts can be an essential part of tailoring your financial records to fit the unique needs of your business, allowing for a more personalized view of your accounting data. Whether you need to update account details or tweak settings, these steps will guide you through the process swiftly and efficiently. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, let's get started by navigating to the Transactions tab. This tab is easily accessible from your main dashboard and will be your gateway into the more detailed realms of your bookkeeping. By clicking on the Transactions tab, you're essentially diving into the core of your financial operations where all transactions are neatly organized. Now, with the Transactions tab open, you'll want to look for the Chart of Accounts link. When you click this link, you'll find yourself in a centralized hub. Here, you'll see all your accounts carefully listed and categorized. These could include sales, expenses, assets, and more, each organized to give you a clear snapshot of your financial picture. With the chart of accounts in front of you, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small drop-down menu. Clicking on this menu is crucial because it unveils a range of actions you can carry out on the account you've selected. Now, from the list of options in that drop-down menu, you need to choose Edit. By selecting Edit, you open the door to modify the details of your chosen account. This could mean changing the account name, updating its type or description, or even reviewing other settings that might enhance your accounting process. At this point, take a moment to reflect on any updates or changes that have occurred with this account. Is there a need to alter its name or reclassify its category? Whatever adjustments your business requires, this is where you can make all necessary changes, ensuring that your financial information remains accurate and true to your company's current status. Once you're satisfied with the modifications you've made, it's crucial not to forget to save these changes. Simply find the Save button and give it a click. Doing so will lock in your adjustments, ensuring they are immediately incorporated into your QuickBooks data. And there you have it. A straightforward yet comprehensive approach to editing your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your accounts up to date with your evolving business needs, allowing for more efficient financial management. Thank you so much for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now more comfortable with making changes to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks.